out here with the chickens. Now, if you notice, all my chickens, they're saddled on their backs. All their feathers are off. And all of them's like that. And of course, looks like maybe something's been pecking at the rooster's feathers too. I don't know, but he's really rough on the hens. And sometimes you get a rooster that's that way. And what our plans are today, we've got some friends from the farmer's market that sell eggs, and they've got extra rooster, and we're just going to swap him out. Well, we got Mr. Rooster here in the pen, and we got our new roosters over here with their girls. Now I have two roosters. They're both right there. They're Americanas. And my friends at Swift Hill Farms, they have a lot of laying birds, and they just happen to have a couple of these. They had some Cornish game hens, which the Cornish game hen wasn't really what I wanted to breed for dual purpose egg laying and meat, and they're a little bit more aggressive too. So we went with these two here. The Americana should be a good breed, so if we raise any more chicks, and hopefully we're going to watch them both, because I don't know which one's going to really be the leader of the flock. They're gonna do their little thing, and whichever one stands up to be the boss. Mr. Rooster over there, he's not liking the situation here, but he's just gonna have to live with it. But anyway, if you want to see more of my videos and updates, well, just hit that subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified, and happy gardening.